Now the Arrive Drive MG B, the trusty steed, the mainstay classic rally car. It's a heritage car, it's a clubman's car, it was a works car. The MG B, so many classic car owners drive on the road, but this one has history. It's red and white. That means BMC and the works colours of Abingdon. The MGBs were successful all around the world, racing and rallying. They're a fantastic package, not just for the clubman, but the works drivers of old. And you see them all over the rallying events, especially with Hero ERA. So the MGB, a popular rally car, a very popular road car, but it has tremendous competition history. Drivers like Paddy Hopkirk, Andrew Hedges, they competed at Sebring, they competed at Le Mans, they won the GT category on the Monte Carlo Rally, they won the GT category on the Spa 1000, they won the GT category on the Targa Florio as well in an MGB. And you notice with this car, you just got the flared headlights which came from the Le Mans cars. But staple diet rally car, as I said, we're going to try this one, Bicester Heritage, on the airfield, see how she goes on tarmac. Yep, B-Series engine, which harks back from 1947, and very, very nice. Down in second gear, and now we're coming down into the slalom now with the MGB on the brakes, off the brakes. Oh, she's going round okay. Did I clip a cone? I don't know. But now this is the drivability section where on a test with Hero ERA you would have to go perhaps about 2 or 3 times round, and it feels so solid. You get this clunky great gear change, which is nice. Turns in really, really well. The predictability of the MGB, and this has been bred in her over so many years. We're in the red and white works BMC colours, so we better do it justice. Round again. It just inspires you with confidence. Working hard now. Any number of rallies you could do in this. Oh, it's great. What a wonderful handling car. It's so much power. Wow, the power is great. And as classic rallying became very popular in the 80s and the early 90s, the MGB was still the choice of champions. And here they still are in classic rallying, doing the business. Can she do the business over the rough? Let's see. Just got to remember it's slippier here. Get the brakes on, and now we're onto the gravel. Getting a bit too tail happy there. You have this solidity, you have this trust, you have the great feeling in the rear end of the car. And no matter how rough it is, she'll do it for you. Okay, this is relatively mildly tuned with a 4-speed gearbox. Yeah, you got the overdrive on it as well. But this is a great specification. Also want the reliability, and that's what you get with the MGB. Oh my goodness me, it's exhilarating. The MGB, it's so surprising. You think it's just a mainstay car, but it really is quick. Reliable, speedy, predictable. A great rally car. The MGB is a great arrive and drive package. It is tremendous value for money at just £562 per day to hire. Absolutely fabulous on all the surfaces as you've seen. I really enjoyed myself. Also, it is part of the Net Hero carbon offset campaign as well, making us environmentally responsible drivers. And that's part of Hero ERA's policy. They are a carbon neutral company.